Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you some of our new digital prints in our shop. As you can tell, I was just printing. I'm having some major issues with my printer. I'm going to need to soak the print head, so I'm looking for what I need to do that. So I'll show you what it was doing. But anyway, there is two sizes and this is the poinsettia and I just love them. Now we decided to do them in all the colors because I was working on my December daily with the Christmas colors from last year and I was like, oh, I wish I had yellow. Oh, I wish I had brown. So we decided to do all the colors. So this is the brown file. So it has the poinsettia with the leaves. And I think this week I'm going to get him to do the poinsettia without the leaves, just for something different. But I like it with the leaves, but I think I'd like it with, I thought if I had the leaves only that I could cut the leaves out. But you know how I like the little white paper around it? I can't do that with these. So these, I'll use them with the leaves, and then the next one will be without the leaves. So of course we have the colorless. The colorless is free when you buy the bundle. And then you have dark gray. Now I don't have all the colors here because I'm having issues with my printer. This took me about 3 days to print. I know it's ridiculous, but it is what it is right now. And this is green. So there's a blue file. And then there's blue pink, which I couldn't print, light gray. Then there's mint. And then there's orange. And then there's peach. And then the blue pink, it kind of looks like this one here, he did pink and purple. So the blue pink is sort of like this, but blues and pinks. And then you have the purple. And then I already used two of these, but you have the red and the green, and then you have just the red. And I ran out of ink. And because I'm having issues, I'm going to take every cartridge out and flush all the cartridges and clean out my print head and all that good stuff. And hopefully my print quality will increase too. So this is turquoise and yellow. So we have them in the 2-inch, and then of course in the 3 different sizes that you can use punch. So this is what my printer would do. It would print so much, and I don't know if it's because it has a hard time drawing ink from the print head, but then it would just spit it out. And then it would say having a hard time connecting with the printer. So a lot of them I had to print them a few times. Like it would only do like a little bit like this, and then it would spit it out. So I have a bit of work to do on my printer to get it to work. But anyway, so of course you have the blue. So these ones here, you can either fussy cut them or they will fit in a 1.5-inch punch. And then this one here is 1.25-inch punch. And this one here is a 1-inch punch. So you can either fussy cut them or punch them out. Now this, I'm not going to throw it out because I can, use this. So I will use that. And then we have the bright orange, and I got messed up and I printed 2 because it's really confusing when you have to keep figuring out which one didn't print and all that stuff. But anyway, we have the brown. The colorless again is free if you buy the bundle. Then we have dark gray, we have green, we have light gray, we have mint, and of course I printed 2 of the mint. And then we have more yellow. I don't think I printed more yellow out of this one, so I'll have to remember to do more yellow. And then we have orange, and then we have peach, and then we have purple, and then we have pink and purple, and it has blue, pink, purple actually. It's really cute. And then we have the red and the green, and then this is another one that only printed part way and then it spit it out. And then we have the turquoise, and then we have the yellow. So that's it. These are our new digital file in our Christmas collection. And if you're interested, you can go to NicoleJones911.com, go to classes/store, and go under embellishments. And you have the embellishments per file, or you have another spot where it says bundles. And then you can purchase them by bundles. But that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.